Alrighty, so one of the last things we got to do before we start buttoning the car up, start putting it back completely back together so it can be driven, is this cylinder 4 coolant mod. I got the Torque Solutions one. We're gonna try it out, see how it goes. Get Her Done is the originator, I believe, or Get Her Dom. I don't remember, something like that. But we're gonna get this installed, get a camera stand set up underneath the car, try to get some light to see if we can get y'all some good video of me doing this. Let's get started. Please be mindful that I don't have my rack and pinion in here, so your removal may look a little different. This hex right here is what's got to come out. Also, when you go to do this, make sure you drain your fluids. Oh, that should have done it right there. Alright, plugs out. Let's take some acetone. And what I'm trying to do is get this acetone on this red gasket maker and try to get as much of this old gasket off. Okay, so now what we got to do is cut this line here, this bottom line, put our T-fittings in, and then we'll run our hose. I got it cut. Now we're going to get the T on. Okay, there's one side. I have to trim this lower hose. Final cleaning before we install the hose. I can't even see the hole. The acetone feels great on cuts. Oh, that burns good. Now, I'm going to clean the threads on this to make sure that they're good. I'm ready to go. I'm going to take my gasket maker. It's gray silicone I'm going to put on here. Okay. Yeah, I got that first shot. I was lucky. I have a little stubby wrench here. There we go. Now remember, you don't have to tighten the crap out of this too tight. That gasket maker's gonna seal it anyways. Now we gotta wait 24 hours. That silicone has to dry for 24 hours before we can even put fluids in the car. I gotta go get a coolant kit, coolant refill kit, and then I don't know what I have to do after that. We'll see. Let's try to get this buttoned up now. We gotta get our hose put on. Okay, so whenever we go to put the steering rack and pinion back in, we may have to do some adjustments here. But that looks like that's going to be it for the cylinder 4 coolant mod for now. It looks like it'll be out of the way, but we'll see whenever we come to put the rack and pinion back in.